वेलकम टू रोहिला स्टेनो क्लासेस। आपका डिक्टेशन शुरू होगा 3 सेकंड बाद। स्टार्ट। दैट द जजमेंट डेटेड 16th October 2020 passed by the learned single judge is contrary to the facts and law and suffers from gross error apparent on the face of record. Stop. Therefore, the same deserves to be set aside. Stop. Para. That the learned single judge has committed serious error in not allowing the writ petition on the ground of delay itself, even after number of judgments passed by Honorable Supreme Court and various high courts cited by the appellant bank in this regard. Stop. The respondent officer unconditionally accepted the gratuity amount as per his entitlement immediately after retirement and choose to remain silent for a considerable period of time. Stop. Thus, the respondent officer was stopped by his conduct and also on the principle of acquiescence and waiver. He was not entitled to any relief. Stop. Impugned judgment is therefore liable to be set aside. Stop. Para. That the learned single judge has committed serious error in dismissing the writ petition filed by the appellant bank on the basis of judgment dated 6 September 2018 passed by the Honorable Madhya Pradesh High Court in WP number 9182 oblique 2017 titled as All India Gramin Bank Pensioners Organization Unit Riva versus Madhyanchal Gramin Bank and another. Stop. The said judgment was upheld by the division bench of Honorable Madhya Pradesh High Court. Stop. However, it is pertinent to mention here that the learned single judge of this honorable court has committed serious error in not appreciating the fact that before the Honorable Madhya Pradesh High Court, the Madhyanchal Gramin Bank within bracket officers and employees bracket close service regulation 2010 and amendment 2013 were under challenge, whereas in present case neither the respondent officer nor any other officers in the connected writ petitions have challenged the service regulations 2010 before this honorable court till date. With respect to gratuity, impugned judgment is therefore deserves to be set aside. Stop. Para. That the learned single judge in its judgment dated 16th October 2020 has completely failed to appreciate the findings of the Honorable Madhya Pradesh High Court in All India Gramin within bracket Sapra, wherein the Honorable Court at para 24 of the said judgment has observed as under. Para. In view of aforesaid analysis, in the considered opinion of this court, the respondents have erred in not including DA while calculating gratuity under the regulations stop. Thus, respondents are directed to include DA and recalculate the gratuity of the petitioners and pay the difference arising thereto to the petitioners within 60 days from the date of communication of this order stop. Since employer has not taken into account the DA for calculating gratuity because of a genuine interpretation problem which is not based on any other reasons like lethargy or inaction, I am not inclined to great interest on such payment of gratuity to the petitioners stop para. However, the learned single judge of this honorable court has upheld the order of the appellate authority, whereby the respondent's officer not only granted benefit of inclusion of dearness allowance in the definition of pay under service regulations 2010 but also given interpretation of 26 days for a month similar to PG Act 1972 and awarded interest from the date of retirement on the additional amount of gratuity, which is completely unjust, unfair, impugned judgment is therefore deserves to be set aside. Stop. दोस्तों, यदि डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन अवश्य दबा दें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक तुरंत पहुंच सके।